Hello everyone and welcome to Tailored Acres. I'm Taylor and I am a gardener in Wisconsin, Zone 4B. So today I am going to be planting some willow cuttings that I ordered from Willows. And so here are my willow cuttings, and you can see it's just a little stick. These came probably a month or so ago, and I've just kept them in the refrigerator, and they came with really great instructions, and that's what it said to do, is just to leave the bag open and keep them in the refrigerator. So that's where they've been until now. And it says that when you're ready to plant them, pull them out, give them a fresh cut, and put them in water. So that's what they've been doing for the last 2 days, and now we're going to get them planted. The varieties I got here, this one is Sunny Twist, and it is like a orangish yellow and really fun. I'm hoping to use it in my winter porch pots next year, but also in this area is where I'm going to plant them, and I think it will add some much needed winter interest out here. The next variety I got here are Rubykins, and I got this variety because it has, like, the new growth is pink and it just makes such a beautiful gradient of color. And the last variety I got are Winter Glory, and these have beautiful red buds and they make really big pussy willows. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I think they're going to be a great addition to my secret garden area, which I'll show you when we plant them. I'm going to be using this old mixer to poke my holes into pre-bore for my cuttings to stick them in. So just something around that same diameter is what you're going to want so that you can plant these easily. Here's my process. So I'm going to lay this out and measure about 6 to 8 inches, and that's how deep I want mine to go. And I'm going to leave about 3 or 4 inches at the top for leaf growth. So I'm just going to jab this in here, go after it. Sorry for the shaky cam. After I got my hole, I just stuck my little cutting in here. I'm shaking it to make sure that there's dirt all the way around it, and that's all there is to it. So I ended up changing my mind on where I want to plant my Sunny Twists, and I ended up planting them along here. So I have these areas that there's 3 repeating along here. So it is iris, catmint, grouping, and I planted those right behind it there. So there's one there, and one there. And I think it will be a good addition to that look and keep a cohesive winter interest throughout this area. Here is the entrance to what we are going to be calling our secret garden. And I want to plant one of the winter glories on each side of this entrance here. This will get part shade, but it said that part shade is still okay for these. You can't see them from here, but there's one over here and one on this side as well. In this area here, I currently have 3 rhubarb plants. So I'm going to add the Rubykins here. Eventually I want these along my driveway, but I don't have that area ready yet. So I'm just going to grow these on here, and I can take cuttings in the future and plant them along the driveway. Now that I have these all planted, I am going to water them in thoroughly, and I'm also going to water them once a week all year. So these are going to be sensitive to having enough moisture to grow roots. So that is a very important step here. That is the simple process in planting willow cuttings, and I will be sure to give updates on how they're growing throughout the summer. I would highly encourage you to check out Willow's website. They're more of like a fall-winter order for a spring delivery. I think they're all sold out of everything currently, but put it on your calendar to remind yourself to look for next fall and get your order in. All right, take care.